Let's ride the track. The alphabet animal train is back. From A to Z, come sing with me and meet the animals ABC. A is for alligator snapping in the sun. B is for bear who loves to run. C is for cat, so cuddly and sweet. D is for dog with 4 happy feet. E is for elephant, big and grand. F is for fox who runs through the land. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright. H is for hippo, oh what a sight. I is for iguana, green and sly. J is for jaguar, leaping high. K is for kangaroo, bounce, bounce, bounce. L is for lion with a mighty pounce. M is for monkey, swinging with glee. N is for gnome, hiding by the tree. O is for owl who hoots at night. P is for penguin in the snow so white. Q is for quail, quick and small. R is for rabbit, hopping through it all. S is for snake, slithering near. T is for tiger, give a roar to cheer. U is for urchin, deep in the sea. V is for vulture in a desert tree. W is for whale with a splash so loud. X is for x-ray fish, swimming proud. I is for Gallic, fluffy and slow. Z is for zebra with stripes that glow. Chugga chugga choo choo, that's the end. But every letter made a brand new friend. Now you've met the AZ crew, animals and letters just for you. Let's ride again, don't be late on the alphabet animal train. It's great.